Today I got Subway. I got the honey chipotle wrap. I seen they had some new little wrap flavors. So I got the honey chipotle wrap. Looks so good. It smells. What? You ain't trying. JK. You want some? And these the kind of chips I got. Smell good. Y'all, this wrap got this house fuming. But it's fine.
I'm good, go ahead.
What, baby? You looking at her like you want something.
I was just looking.
I can give my husband something because he keeps looking at my son. He the smell of it. I like this flavor. Lemonade for the drink. Yeah. This wrap is amazing. It's rotisserie chicken. I got the exact way that they said make it. It's I ain't sub none. I think I just added black olive. That's it. But everything else is the same. Just rotisserie chicken, cheese, onion, lettuce. I'm really feeling it.